The most beautiful time of the year to visit Japan is during the Sakura season, when cherry blossoms bloom and transform the landscape into a sea of soft, cloud-like white and pink hues. However, Japan is far away, so why not bring a piece of that magic into your home? A bonsai can do just that. With a Kojo no Mai, you can bring the enhancement of Sakura into your own garden or living space. Today, I will guide you through pruning and wiring this beautiful tree. Together, we will enhance its elegance and help it reach its full potential. The Prunus incisa, also known as the Fuji cherry, is a compact, slow-growing bonsai with a spectacular bloom in early spring. Its name, Kojo no Mai, means dance in an old temple, referring to the graceful, twisting branches that resemble a delicate dance. I was already looking for a new line-based tip in order to make the tree dance, if you will. After some consideration, I identified a better line, not the way the tree was spotted, but a much more elegant line that positions the big wound to the back and can see a beautiful first branch, second top, and a really lovely crown to the tree without losing the nabara. Then I prune away all the unnecessary parts of the tree. The goal is to maintain the shape of the bonsai and direct its energy to the right places. I look for dead branches, branches that are too long or growing inward, and I carefully remove them. This helps the tree preserve its characteristic twisted form, and it sets it up for a new growing season. After pruning with a knob cutter, we need to address the wound with a sharp blade. This makes the wound a lot more clean and make sure that it heals properly. Afterwards, I need to seal this wound with wound paste to not cause any embolisms in the tree. This would slightly obstruct the movement of resources from the roots to the tips and vice versa. In early spring, it's very easy to identify dead branches. The color is dull, the buds are black, and are not swelling. By cleaning out old branches and dead stubs, we use only what is viable in the continuation of the tree's future. While pruning, I always keep in mind how the tree will look in the future. Bonsai is an art of patience. Each cut contributes to the bigger picture. I always believe that when you are bonding with a tree, i.e., you are cleaning it, that it's somewhat meditative and can help you really relax. Now it's time to gently shape the branches with wire. This helps maintain the natural movement in the tree. I use thin wire for younger branches and slightly thicker wire for older, stiffer branches. It's important not to wrap the wire too tightly so the branch still has room to grow, yet not so loosely that it still anchors the movement. Because of the dancing nature of the branches of Kojo no Mai, I want to take my secondaries and I want to pull them in to my main branch and then slightly outwards. This is also due to the sun. In a natural environment, this is how this tree would grow. Afterwards, to bring even more movement, I want to lift it up and pull it back down. When shaping my branches, I need to remember the direction of the wire. If my wire is clockwise, I have to bend it clockwise. If it's counterclockwise, then it goes counterclockwise. This tightens the wire to my branches and fortifies my system that I created. After removing a slightly overly long branch and a little bit of shaping, I am finally ready with my first branch. This will set the tone for the entire tree. Did you know that in Japan, the blooming of the sakura symbolizes impermanence? The blossoms appear in all their glory but quickly fade away. This reminds us to live in the moment and appreciate the beauty around us. As I move my way up the tree, I can't stop thinking of Japan. Such a beautiful country, such a beautiful culture. Can't wait to go back. As the darkness of night begins to crawl over my bonsai table, I can't believe how white the flowers are turning. As I work on this tree, I can literally see the flowers opening up. It's such a lovely experience, a true disconnect from the busy lives that we all live in Western countries, and this from the privacy of my own living room. In Japan, it's a tradition to have picnics under the blooming cherry trees and appreciate the beauty of the sakura. This custom is called hanami, which literally means flower viewing. There are over 600 types of cherry blossom trees. The most famous is Solmei Yoshino, which produces delicate white pink flowers that dominate Japan's parks and gardens during the sakura season. In old feudal Japan, the samurai idolized the sakura due to its short yet beautiful bloom that symbolized the impermanence of life, a core value in Bushido code. After a few minor tweaks, I try to look back at the tree and feel the tree, not think about it. While doing so, I realized that it was a little bit too long on the left side, so I needed to reduce it just slightly. Although hesitant, because I didn't want to cut away all the beautiful flowers. At first, I had planned to do this work before the flowers had emerged, but I was too late. They literally opened up while I was improving the tree. Now all I need to do is wait another day for the pink to really show up and show you the final result. I hope you enjoyed this journey into the world of the sakura. Remember to care for your bonsai with love and patience, and it will reward you with its enduring charm.